all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are back with the stock in Jari border Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have different designs and different color combinations of 20 different sarees. So before that, if you're first time watching our channel, please to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. If you're first to our channel, we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees and we are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. So please to check our YouTube channel for more collections. Also, you can visit us directly as well for more collections. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. Please do contact us and visit us directly for bulk orders and any wholesale orders. Now let's see all these sarees. All are very beautiful colors and designs. This is the first saree, a beautiful royal blue with teal green combination, a rich color combination. With both sides you'll get this tissue border. You'll get a contrast blouse in green color. All these jari work is done in gold jari, a rich pallu in gold jari, and all over the saree you have this beautiful puttas woven in gold jari. As you can see, the puttas comes all over the saree. This is the back side of the saree. And next is a beige with bottle green combination. All these sarees which we are showing in this video has both sides tissue border. So all are tissue border sarees. You will get a contrast blouse in green color. And the puttas comes all over the saree. All these sarees are double warp sarees. Premium quality silk, comes with a SILKMARK certified. All are pure handloom sarees. And next is a beautiful baby pink with green combination. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen, or I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link and share the screenshot for booking. This is the back side of the saree. All are unique designs and a unique color combinations. And next is an olive green with pink combination, a very beautiful color combination. So all these are double warp sarees, so please don't miss these collections. We have restocked with a new set of collections. So we have very limited stock in each of these colors. Do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp if you want to book any of these sarees. If you want to see any color confirmations, we do have video call facility as well, so you can contact us and see it in the video call for any color confirmations, and you can book the saree. And next is a blue with lemon green combination. So we have 20 to 25 sarees in this video, so please don't skip this video. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations. Also, you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So please don't wait it. Book a favorite saree. A mustard with blue combination. This is. All are different designs. So watch this video fully for all the color combination and designs and book your favorite saree. Also, please to share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections and support us. Thank you.